Is your Vauxhall Astra's alarm constantly going off? The most common culprit, especially in older MEMP5 2004 to 2010 and MEMP6 2010 to 2015 models, is a faulty door latch microswitch. This small electrical switch signals to the car's computer, ECU, that the door is closed. If it's corroded, worn, or misaligned, it sends false signals, making the alarm think a door is ajar. Other potential issues include a failing siren, often due to wiring faults, blown fuses, or battery drain, and issues with the immobilizer, which can prevent the alarm from being properly reset. Start by inspecting the door latch microswitches for corrosion or damage. A common DIY fix involves replacing the faulty microswitch with parts available from automotive suppliers like Bosch or Denso. Test the continuity of the switch with a multimeter before replacement. Also, check the siren wiring and fuse. For siren or immobilizer issues, consider consulting a professional to avoid ECU damage. Reset procedures involve cycling the ignition using the key fob or performing an ECU reset, potentially using an OBD2 scanner to clear error codes. Regular lubrication of the door latches can also prevent future problems. Note that Stellantis has issued recalls on some Astra J models for immobilizer faults, so check if your vehicle is affected.